students on medical microbiological products transferring from working and attending medical Maharashtra. Now, student package nutrition. The process by which providing nutrients to the body is communicated. There are two types of nutrition. Hypotrophic and autotrophic. Hypotrophic. The mode of nutrition in which organisms make and should be fed by the local substance is called autotrophic nutrition. Hypotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which organism cannot make food and food by the local substance is called hypotrophic mode of nutrition. There are no types of hypotrophic nutrition. Diabetes, symbiosis,